What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, gotta get this exhaust done. I got everything ran, got acetone, so let's get it started. I need a welding table in the worst way. For anyone wondering how to sharpen your tungsten evenly, tungsten and drill and grinder. Easiest way. to do a video soon of just cleaning up around here. I don't know if anyone else's garage ever gets like this, but I work in it for like a couple days and it just gets ridiculous. That wraps that up. She's all done. All welded in. Well, that's all done. So there's one project down. Hopefully this week I start working back on the motor. I'm gonna start getting everything cleaned up on it. Getting it all back together, and hopefully real soon I'll drop it in. I'd like to paint the whole thing. I know it's all aluminum, but I have read some stuff that you can paint all aluminum motors and it's not going to get that hot. So, see what it looks like. See what all I can get done this week. But that's going to wrap it up. Stay tuned for more. Thanks.